What's up guys, Emmett the Engineer back with another tutorial, and today we're going to be working with the rest of these variables and working on declaring stuff in me to the variables and stuff. So here we go with the boolean. Okay, so we need to find a setting that is represented with a bool. Alright, so let's say Windows state. No, that's represented with a bunch of specialized string settings or something like that. Use wait cursor. As you can see, true and false. So that is a bool. So we're gonna use use wait cursor. So we're just gonna change the property by pressing me dot use wait cursor right there equals, and you guessed it, we're gonna enter the name of our bool variable up here, GHF, so we don't have to write true. I don't even know why you would want to do that. I understand why you would want to store variables as booleans. I don't really understand why you would want to use wait cursor. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could just write true instead. But now whenever we start it, even though the setting in here is set to use wait cursor false, the setting in here, the setting in the code changes that setting immediately as soon as the form loads up, which the form loads up with preset settings that you've set in here, by the way. As soon as the form loads up, it sets that setting to GHF, which GHF happens to be true. So yeah, pretty much that's it, and goodbye. No, I'm joking. So I'm just gonna close that for now. Oh, I forgot to show you. Of course, use wait cursor. You can see the wait cursor on there. My computer's not just being retarded, it is in fact a wait cursor. So next we're gonna go over, how about integers? Me dot I can't really think of something with an integer, so we can check out the properties for something with an integer, shall we? I think there's something in font represented with an integer. Actually, no, that's a double, but we can look for something else. Margin, no. Opacity. How about opacity? Opacity should work. Me dot opacity. Opacity equals, and GFH. Okay, so the opacity of form1, which is the class, that's why it says me, is equal to GFH, and GFH happens to be an integer. So up here where we declared it and made it 1, you can see you know, all that stuff. So if we debug this, then it's not going to be it's going to be pretty opaque about So if we were to set this to 0, then what would happen? Dun dun. There will be no form. That's right, because the opacity is set to 0. And the reason, if you were wondering, that the thing was visible completely whenever we had it at 1 is because it's an integer. So if we were to do this with a double and set it to 0.5, sure, why not, equals double, which doubles it kind of flipping. And we started this, as you can see, it's only halfway visible, and that's because it's actually percentage in VB is always based on a scale of 0 to 1. So, you know, we could set this to pretty much anything. We could set it to 0.75 and it would be somewhat invisible, like this. See, I can see my code. I can see clearly now. The form is on 0.75. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep that as the double because that's a prime example right there. We need to find something for the integer though. Well, you know what? Let's convert the integer to a string. So I'm going to create a new variable. That's right, a new variable. And we're gonna call it GHT for 2 as integer. No, wait, string, not integer. Okay, and it's going to be equal to, or no, We're not going to set it equal to anything yet. You don't have to set it in there, by the way. So I'm going to set it immediately whenever Form 1 loads. I'm going to set GFHT to equals, what's GFH dot to string. And pretty much VB can convert certain things to strings and certain things back and forth and stuff. So we're converting an integer to a string, which would pretty much just output the text 1. Okay? So it's converting it to text. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna make the this right here, we're gonna make it plus, we're gonna add in a space, and then we're gonna put in plus again and GFH, or no, it would be GFH2T, because that's it to a string. So now if we start it, it says Pineapple 1 at the top, and it's 75% invisible with an aqua background. So thanks for watching, guys, and it has a weight cursor. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I know this was a little bit long, just a few seconds longer than my last one though. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.